Hi there, Spark fans. Rob Reynolds here once again. Let's say you're running a small 3-volt circuit, but you need to add a servo to it. But your servo wants 4.8 volts, and your microcontroller's all like, "You've got to get me more maneuvering power." But your battery pack's all like, "I'm giving her all she's got, Captain. If I give her any more, she'll blow." Well, now you can get that extra power with the new SparkFun Buck-Boost Converter. The Buck-Boost Converter can take a voltage input of anywhere from 3 to 16 volts DC and output from 2.5 to 9 volts DC. There's a 3-position switch to set the output to 3.3 volts, 5 volts, or a custom output voltage that you can set by adding a through-hole resistor to the board. The Buck-Boost uses a switching DC to DC converter, which is more efficient than linear regulator. More efficiency means less energy is wasted in the form of heat. With built-in over-temperature protection and an optional heatsink, you can achieve up to a 95% efficiency rating. So with a simple 3.3 volts, you can see our servo is struggling. Oh, it's trying, but just can't get the power it needs. Let's see what happens when we add the Buck-Boost Converter into the circuit. So by adding the SparkFun Buck-Boost Converter into our circuit and setting the switch to 5 volts, we can take our 3-volt supply and give our servo the 5 volts it so desperately needs. Oh, look at that power. Yeah. Of course, the Buck-Boost Converter also works the other way. If you've got a higher voltage source and you need to pull it back to 3.3 volts, 5 volts, or whatever custom voltage you need up to 9 volts, it can do that just as easily. So whether you need to add more power from a smaller power source or pull it back from a larger power source, the SparkFun Buck-Boost Converter is just the board you need. Get yours over at SparkFun.com, and happy hacking! Power.